Put this on the forklift. Hydraulic doing mixer. Can we mix that?
Right.
Mix this concrete. Can you get out of the cab?
Well, yeah.
Is the key still in?
I'll go with bucket, it isn't.
It's not a. It's American. I mean, it's an American key, not a English Lucas.
Alright, okay.
Put her in the park position on the gears.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just fire it straight up.
Richie.
What? You don't know if I stick this bucket jar, I'll tell you. Put them on YouTube?
Alright.
Pull it out if you want to. Want it out.
You can do, aye.
First thing will be nothing get out of this one. All right.
Or 42.
That's a 35. We'll pull that one out if you want to pull that one out. It's not run though.
Oh, aye. Well, it's coming out. We've got a. I'll show you. Show me what people got. Let's see. If I can get the keys. This is the This is the French one with a bloody champagne cork in the fucking sun.
Alright. They come with Francis, did it?
Aye, we're rebuilding it. Kingpins.
There's competition there.
Aye. Kingpins and bushes to do.
Yeah.
We've done that one. She's champion now. She had a tool top end broken here. Oh, well done.
Alright.
So we'll pick this together on the hole.
The 5 top.
Aye. It's a 3-cylinder,
Yep.
345.
Right.
And then we've got the 460 here.
Right.
She's a crack block. I don't know. We had the rose colour glasses on again, which had the Chiluri tractor and all.
Have you got 1060?
1060
Yeah.
behind it.
Oh.
345, 1060. I've got a 342 up at the Daniel.
Right.
And I've got as parts for them doing it at the bottom shed. I've got two pallet load,
Right.
so I get the parts out of there.
Yeah.
But that's the engine.
Oh.
No, that's the engine with that one outside.
Right. The 465, yeah?
Aye.
Yeah.
And it's a 460 or a 1060.
Yeah.
But that little bitch. You remember that one?
I'll just... Have you got loaded frame for the tractor, David?
Eh?
Have you got loaded frame for the tractor?
I've got the load and everything.
Right.
Got the whole lot.
Off, you know, because bloody hell, it's a proper one as well. Like, you know, I don't know why Leyland went down this road of Crimmon, because the
And the Northumberland ploughing at Windrum Waller.
right.
It was the 23C that was causing all the bother.
23C. Right.
The engine.
Right.
So that was the bother. But they've got individual heater plugs as well as the one in the main manifold.
Right. Well, that'll be
Cooper.
Cooper. Hello, Cooper. Say hello to Kay.
Cooper. Cooper.
Cooper. Cooper.